Hey, what's up, fellas? This is in between wind gust. So actually, I'll show you the Franklin Mountains are obscured. You can't see them over my shoulder. I mean, it doesn't seem like a lot right this second, but when the wind gust, it's pretty bad. Damn, I should show you again. I don't want to stay out too much. There, you can see the. Let me go and get underneath the eave of the house. Well, where the back deck is. Oh, there you go. Better. There's the cat. Hopefully she'll blow away. Oh, I guess she doesn't want to play. All right. Anyways. All right. Maybe they got it right. But it's weird. It almost sounds like a train whistle coming through. If you well, it's only in bursts, so it is what it is. See you guys later. Bye bye.